This video was inspired by an American artist. Uh, he was a painter. He had his own TV show back in the 80s and early 90s. His name was Bob Ross. And he had this thing about happy trees. Well, I want to make my own happy tree with resin. Now, my happy tree, it's going to have rock salt in it because the rock salt makes me happy. I've already mixed up the resin. I'm using T-Expert Pure Glossy today. And we're going to have the rock salt in resin. And if you remember a previous video, I used this faux snow that I got from the Dollar Tree. We're going to combine this with the rock salt. Because for me, a happy tree will, one, have rock salt in it, and two, it's going to be sparkly. So I am going to put a little bit of resin down in the bottom of the mold to help coat that, get into some of the, notice it's got lots and lots of little branch areas. So just to help with bubbles. I'm sure that there will still be some bubbles, but we can make it where there's fewer. I can spray the mold too. We're going to do everything we can to cut down on the amount of large bubbles in here. Going ahead and coating the different areas of the resin down low. All right, now I'm going to add just a little bit more resin. Maybe more than what's needed for the amount of rock salt in here, but that's okay. The extra is just going to sink to the bottom of the cup. Now we're going to mix some of the faux snow in with the rock salt. Oh, there we go. Make it good and sparkly. See if this faux snow really feels like snow when it's all done, right? Okay, so we'll go ahead and put some in. It's just to help give it some extra sparkle. And now we are going to use some green alcohol ink. I'm just going to put a drop in. Add some more of the rock salt with the faux snow in it. Smash, smash, right? There we go. Add another drop. Some more of the rock salt. Add another drop. And yes, I did shake my alcohol ink bottle up before I started dripping it in. Add a little more rock salt and a little bit more. Make sure we add more of our faux snow. It's crazy, crazy, beautiful glitter. At least that's what I'm calling it. I'm calling it glitter, but you can call it whatever you like. Okay, and now let's spray around this top part. Give another drip. Actually, we'll give this one 2 drips. Or drops. 2 drops of our alcohol ink. And then continue to fill. How's that there? I think we can top it just a little bit. Oh, scoop that. Okay, there we go. And now we will just let it cure up and see how it came out. Alright, it's the next day. Let's see how our happy tree came out. Actually, first, I had a little bit of the resin left over. I had a little bit of the rock salt, had the resin and the faux snow in it left over. So I just added a little more of the rock salt to it, and I did up the snowflake mold, or the ornament mold. And this one has the faux snow in it. Look at that. Look at that. I wasn't originally figuring on showing it to you. I just was unmolding it, to see how it came out, and I was going to put it off to the side. And then I saw how it came out, and I was like, oh, I have to share this. So there you go. That was doing with the drip alcohol ink. Basically, if you want to know how I did this, I did it very similar to the way I did the other snowflake ornaments with the rock salt in a previous video. So anyhow, let's take a look at our Christmas tree, our happy tree. I'm curious, does anyone else remember Bob Ross? Did anyone else watch him when you were kids? Not because your mom or your grandparents or anyone else watched it, but just because you saw it and you thought he was cool and just started watching and learned a whole lot about painting, even for a 10-year-old. Now remember, I did say there would probably still be bubbles because of the way the mold was made. And it's not the mold's fault, but by me using the rock salt, possibly being able to squeeze out all the bubbles could have been a little difficult. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's what I was going for. I wanted to give it that kind of a snowy look, and that's why I didn't have all of it in the green color. I just wanted to have the inner being green, and you'd be able to see, I was hoping, a little bit through the clear. Wow. And that faux snow, that just really brings out the sparkle. I need to trim this little bit off at the bottom. I'll use my X-Acto knife. It's the toy I like to play with. So I'll use that to clean up my edges. But there you go. What do you think? I think it came out great. I think it came out just the way I was wanting it to. So I will post a couple pictures at the end of the video. I try to do that with pretty much every video so that you can see it in better lighting, maybe a little bit better background so it's able to be seen easier. So check out those pictures at the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.